started, little gigglers. Guess the vehicle. The answer is an ambulance. An ambulance siren wails. An ambulance takes sick people to the hospital. Wee-oh, wee-oh, wee-oh! Guess the vehicle. The answer is a truck. A truck horn honks. A truck horn honks to alert people on the road saying, "Watch out! Honk, honk!" Guess the vehicle. The answer is a helicopter. A helicopter's blades whir. A helicopter's blades whir to make it fly. Whir, whir! Guess the vehicle. The answer is a bicycle. A bicycle's wheels spin. A bicycle's wheels spin as you pedal, making the bike move forward. Click, clack, click, clack! Guess the vehicle. The answer is a train. A train's whistle blows. A train's whistle blows to alert of its presence along the tracks. Toot, toot! Guess the vehicle. The answer is a ship. A ship's whistle blows. A ship's whistle blows to warn other vessels nearby and avoid crashes. Hoot, hoot! Guess the vehicle. The answer is an airplane. An airplane's engine roars. The airplane's engine roars as the powerful jet engines create a strong force that pushes the plane forward. Whir, whir, whir! Guess the vehicle. The answer is a van. A van's tires break. A van's tires break when the driver presses the paddle to slow down or stop the van. Eek, eek, eek! Guess the vehicle. The answer is a police car. A police car's siren blares. A police car's siren blares to tell everyone it's in a hurry for an emergency and needs the way to be clear. Zoom, zoom. Guess the vehicle. The answer is a scooter. A scooter's engine hums. A scooter is a cool way to ride around town quickly and have fun. Buzz, buzz. Guess the vehicle. The answer is a school bus. A school bus horn honks. A school bus takes students to and from school safely. Vroom, Guess the vehicle. Great job, little gigglers! You guessed so well! Applause for you! That's all for today. See you in my next video, my friend. I'm Gigi Little Laughs.